Hey, and welcome to Witchcrafty. The Rise of the Skywalker is out on the 20th, and I thought it'd be fitting to make Baby Yoda as it's been requested a few times now. I wanted to make a bit of a series for this channel in making memes as I've made Surfetched a month or so ago now, so expect more in the future. Here's a list of everything you'll need. I'm actually using Minky for once in a video, so just be careful if you use any other material as the finished product may turn out a little different. The pattern is linked in the description down below and is free to download from my DeviantArt. They're for personal use only. Scale it to an A4 piece of paper to get the same sizing result as in the video, then cut out all of the pieces in the allocated colours. The first thing that I did was sew the two head backs together along the slightly curved line. With Minky, as it's not as firm as felt, I normally either clip my seams or pin them so it doesn't slide a lot. After that, I sewed up both darts on the head front. Then, align the darts on the side of the head front to the line you just sewed along the back, and begin sewing the head with the material inside out. When you're nearly at the end of the sewing line, flip it the right way up, stuff it generously, and conceal with an invisible stitch. Take the white felt eye glints and place them on the black felt eyes, then sew them on with the matching thread. You can place these wherever, but it will change the expression if they're placed differently. Then, using a backstitch, pin these onto the face and sew them on. Take two of the four earpieces and place them with the tracing facing up, and sew these together leaving the straight edge open. Once you're done, flip it fluffy side up and stuff it enough to give it shape. Repeat this with the next ear. Pin these on either side of the head, making sure they both point in the same direction, and use an invisible stitch to join them on. Take the two pink Minky earpieces and use a backstitch to join them onto the inner side of the front facing ears. For the body, take the largest bound piece and align the shorter straight edge to form a tube. Sew along this line. Then, take the circular brown piece and align it to the brown piece on either side and sew around the tracing lines to close off one end. Flip this the right way up and then stuff it generously. Fold in the raw edges using the stuffing to help wedge it under, and use an invisible stitch to join the head and the body. I sewed it on with the seam facing forward to imitate the line of the jacket. Then, take one of the two brown arm pieces and join it along the shorter straight edge to the lighter coloured rectangle. Repeat this for the other piece. Then, sew these along the brown top line and along the side. Change to a matching thread for the white and continue along the line, leaving the longer white side open, then stuff it only enough to give it shape. Repeat this with the other arm. After that, take 2 of the 4 little green mink hand pieces and sew around the curved line, leaving the straight edge open. After you've closed off the stitch, stuff it lightly. Repeat this with the 2 remaining pieces. Then, tuck these pieces into the sleeves and join them in the open ends with an invisible stitch. Join these to the body with an invisible stitch in one line just underneath the head. Take the final 2 pieces of the off-white Minky and begin sewing around the tracing lines. Once you've reached the final open small straight edge, poke it through until it's the fluffy side up. Pack in a little bit of stuffing to give it a bit more shape, then close off the open end with an invisible stitch. Finally, pin this to the front and use an invisible stitch at the front to secure it around the head. And there you have it! That is how you make a baby Yoda. Isn't he cute? Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and comment down below on what you'd like to see me make next. And while you're still here, make sure to check out my other videos. I post new videos every single week. Thanks for watching, bye!